In this video, we will see how to fix the Galaxy Store not working problem on any Samsung phone. So let's get started. First of all, just open the quick panel on your Samsung phone, then tap on the airplane mode icon over here. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on airplane mode and turn it off. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then go to settings and tap on apps. Now in the search bar, just search this. Then tap on Galaxy Store. Now just tap on the three dots over here and select Uninstall Updates. Select OK. Now after you uninstall the updates of the Galaxy Store, just tap on it one more time. Then go to Storage. From here just select Clear Data. Tap on Delete. Then go back and tap on Force Stop and select OK. Now after you do that, then go to your home screen and open the Galaxy Store on your Samsung phone and check if it is working or not. Now if it asks you to update the Galaxy Store, just select Update. Now just wait until the update process is completed. Then open Galaxy Store one more time and check if it is working or not. As you can see, it is working. Now if your problem is still not fixed, then go to your home screen and open Settings. Now just go back to the main settings page and tap on Device Care. And from here just tap on Storage and check if you have enough storage or not. Sometimes you might find issues with Galaxy Store because you do not have enough storage on your Samsung phone. Just delete any app or game which you are not using, or just delete any photo or video which you no longer need. Then go back and tap on Memory. Also check if you have enough RAM or memory on your Samsung phone. If you do not have enough RAM or memory, just select Clean Now. Then go to your home screen and restart your Samsung phone. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. Then tap on the power icon over here and select Restart. Now, if you have done that and if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on Software Update. Then tap on Download and Install. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just make sure you update the software of your Samsung phone. Also make sure you have a good internet connection, because weak internet connections also create issues with your Galaxy Store. And this is how you can fix Galaxy Store not working problem on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.